What happens when you listen to the Quran for 7 days? Unbelievable. A secret that will change everything you thought you knew about the Quran. Listening to the Quran for just 7 days could transform your mind, body, and soul in ways you never imagined. Science, psychology, and thousands of personal stories all point to something truly extraordinary happening when you immerse yourself in the words of Allah. Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into fascinating facts that prove the Quran is not just a book, but a living miracle. By the end of this video, you'll never see it the same way again. And trust me, fact number 15 will leave you speechless. Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just change your life forever. Imagine this. A young man named Amir was struggling with life. Anxiety, stress, endless distractions, nothing seemed to bring him peace. One day, a scholar advised him, just listen to the Quran every day for a week and see what happens. Skeptical but desperate, Amir put on his headphones and started listening. And what happened next shocked him. By day 3, his mind felt lighter. By day 5, his heart felt at ease. By day 7, he was a completely different person, calmer, stronger, and spiritually awakened. What changed? Was it just a placebo, or is there something truly divine about the Quran's words? That's exactly what we're about to explore. Stay with me. Scientists have discovered that listening to the Quran activates the brain's prefrontal cortex, enhancing focus, improving emotional regulation, and reducing stress levels. It's as if the words themselves are healing your mind. Research shows that when people listen to the Quran, their heartbeat synchronizes with the rhythmic recitation. This creates a calming effect, reducing anxiety and increasing inner peace. A study from the Journal of Religion and Health found that Quran recitation lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, faster than any other sound therapy. A 2018 study revealed that patients who listened to the Quran daily experienced a significant drop in depression and anxiety compared to those who didn't. The Quran is literally a prescription for a peaceful mind. Ever wondered why listening to the Quran before bed feels so soothing? It's because it lowers blood pressure, slows down brain waves, and prepares the body for deep, restorative sleep. And here's the most incredible part. Even if you don't understand Arabic, your brain subconsciously responds to its rhythmic patterns, creating a powerful emotional and cognitive effect. This is why non-Arabic speakers also feel a deep connection when listening. Studies show that listening to the Quran activates both the logical left and the creative right side of the brain, creating a state of harmony that few other activities can achieve. Many people have testified that consistent listening to the Quran helped them overcome past traumas, heartbreaks, and even PTSD. The words of Allah have a way of healing deep wounds. Did you know that Hufad, those who memorize the Quran, have a sharper memory than the average person? Listening to the Quran stimulates the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory retention. Dr. Masaru Emoto's research on water molecules suggests that positive words and sounds create beautiful, symmetrical water structures, and the Quran, when played near water, has been shown to create the most harmonious patterns. Many who listen to the Quran report feeling a wave of peace instantly, even if they weren't thinking about it. That's because the sound vibrations align with the body's natural frequencies. Some experts suggest that Quranic recitation closely matches 432 Hz, a frequency known to be naturally healing and used in ancient sound therapy. And in homes where the Quran is played regularly, the atmosphere feels different. Families report fewer arguments, less stress, and a stronger sense of unity. Studies suggest that listening to the Quran before starting your day boosts mental clarity, motivation, and decision-making skills. It's like a mental reset for the soul. And remember, Allah says in the Quran, and we send down in the Quran that which is a healing and a mercy for the believers. 82. Modern science is just catching up with what Islam has always known. The Quran is a divine miracle that heals the mind, body, and soul. So what happens when you listen to the Quran for 7 days? Your brain rewires, your stress melts away, your heart finds peace like never before. Now, imagine if you made this a lifelong habit. How much could your life transform? Now it's your turn. Have you ever experienced the power of the Quran in your life? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because someone you know might need this message today. And please say a prayer for my late parents. May Allah grant them Jannah and shower them with His mercy. May Allah bless you and guide you on this beautiful journey. See you in the next video.